currently watching the YouTube channel Taapasya's World. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to comment, share and like this video.
Oyster shell. But only this, now they have it. We have to put something else, something like this, together with this one to stimulate the oyster to grow. What are these? We get this one from the oyster living. We open it and we cut the membrane. This membrane, we cut it off from that side. Then we remove the skin outside like this and cut it into smaller pieces. The red color here is antibacterial. That's why they red. The meat for food, for eating. We're using the membrane, something like this, but only one. One piece of this, one piece of the nucleus. We put them together inside another oyster, living oyster. Now please come to the second step. Only one membrane and one nucleus together. We keep them like this into the water and check them once a month because not every oyster produces pearl. 50% of the oyster die. When they die, out of the water they open. When those meat alive, put them back to the water with only 30 to 40% success. This is the final pearl. It's better. Rounder pearl is better pearl. Shinier and perfect, like diamond grading. So we're grading them 1A, double A, triple A, 4A. 4A is the best. 1A, not good. We make pearl cream. And the shell, we polish it, getting this to make necklace, earrings, rings from this as well. Everything used. Do you have any questions? The shell will also make food. And also make the this one, we make the little balls by crack them in the outer machine to make the ball. And then Taapasya.